Dressmakers and friends, welcome again on the channel. In this video, just as you have seen on the thumbnail, we are going to be learning how to make this 3D Ankara petal. Now let's get into it. You need your hemming tape, you need the fabric, which is the African print that you will be using. So what you want to do is to lay the African print on the table just as you are seeing me, and then you will lay your hemming tape on top of your African print. Okay, so the area where you want to be cutting out your patch from, okay, is where you are going to actually put your hemming tape. So you want to go ahead to get your craft wire, and then you mold or form the craft wire into shape just as you are seeing me right now. Remember that this craft wire is flexible, so you can actually mold it into any shape that you desire. It could be round, it could be oval shape, depending on what you are actually trying to, the shape of the patch that you are actually trying to get. Okay, so once you have gotten the craft wire into shape like this, you place it on that hemming tape, and then you can also have the craft wire maybe straight. You can have it cross on top of each other. You're going to see how I'm going to achieve that. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to follow the shape. The importance of the craft wire is that it just has to give it structure, so that when you bend it, it can like give you like something realistic, and that's why it's 3D. Okay, so after you have placed the craft wire and you are satisfied with what the craft wire looks like, now you can now go ahead to get like another layer of hemming tape. The same hemming tape you used the first time is still the same one you are using. So you place it on top of the craft wire like this. Make sure that the hemming tape covers every area that the craft wire is. Okay, so once you have been able to cover every part with the hemming tape, you are now going to get another Ankara patch. Okay, if you want to use a pattern, make sure that it is that side with the pattern that you are doing all of this with. Once you place the Ankara on top of it like this, you are now going to put your hot iron, preferably use steam iron. Okay, so you steam it in like this. By the time you steam it in, you will see everything form into shape. I told you earlier that you can actually have this round, and you can actually have this like any shape that you want. So this second one that I'm actually creating right now is actually the round type. You can see that I didn't form this into any shape in particular, but the same process is what I actually went through. Just take that sandwich process, your Ankara, your hemming tape, the craft wire that is going to give it structure, another layer of hemming tape, and another layer of Ankara. So by the time you have fused everything together, it will be hardened. You can see the way I'm holding it down. You can see that now it's looking hard, and now you can actually follow the shape that you cut. This is the one that I made round, so I'm cutting it all round. So you can now see that this is already forming into shape. You will now go ahead to cut as many as you want, or follow this process to create as many as you want. These three like this put together is one. After putting it together like this, I just went ahead with my needle and thread, and I tack the three together to form one. So I can now go ahead to create much more if I need more than one. So I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you have not done so. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.